Guys, I know you're wondering, why are we seeing cryptos crash, especially in the bullish month of July? Guys, we have a lot to look forward to in July, and I'm going to be going over that in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when the whales have sold off, when you have 5 or 10 minutes to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, we're currently sitting at 20 cents for Doge because there has been a huge sell-off recently. Guys, this is all because of market manipulation. The whales putting out fake news to scare the small retail investor into getting out. Guys, we have levels of resistance at 18 cents. We will likely not go any lower. And if we do hit that level of resistance, we will likely bounce very hard, possibly hitting 25 or 30 cents just thereafter. The whales know about the fundamental catalysts coming up. They know that Dogecoin is about to blast off and that cryptos are about to blast off. That's why they want to get this fake news, this FUD out there just before this happens so they can get in at the lowest price possible. Guys, when we take a look at the coin market cap, we see Ethereum down 10%. Cardano down 5%, XRP down 6%, Bitcoin down 4%, and Dogecoin down 8.5%. Guys, some huge news. As regulatory concerns resurface, there is a massive Bitcoin sell-off. Guys, there is a 6-month share lock that's going to be expiring on the 18th of this month. What people are speculating is that the ones that own Bitcoin on the Grayscale Trust, well, the money that they invested in Bitcoin, where they agreed to hold it for 6 months, is now expiring. People are speculating and expecting for these people to sell off their shares after 6 months because they're able to at that point, or they can hold for longer. But because they think they're going to sell off, they think there's going to be a massive sell-off for Bitcoin, a lot of people are getting out. They're getting scared. They're having paper hands. Guys, never have paper hands. Always hold strong with diamond hands. That always pays off in the long run. I personally do not believe, I don't conjecture that they will sell off when their 6 months is up, because if they do, they will be selling at a loss. And like I always say, never sell for less than you got in for. And if anyone knows this, it's the whales. Guys, the whales that got in at this 6-month lock do not want to sell for less than they got in for. So I believe they will hold. I think that they will hold with diamond hands. So instead, I think this 6-month expiration will actually cause a bull run for Bitcoin, therefore causing it for cryptos, because I think more people will hold than expected, causing widespread confidence in the crypto market. Some more news, guys. Kraken casts more doubt on JP Morgan. The JP Morgan call over Grayscale Bitcoin Trust unlocked it, that is. Guys, but isn't it funny that the same people that are putting out a lot of market manipulation and fake news are the ones that are calling this out? They're literally scaring people. They're trying to scare people to sell off, but they're literally buying Bitcoin as we speak. They're in fact the ones that called out Bitcoin, saying that it would reach $200,000 or even $300,000 just by the end of this year. Since we are seeing them buy so much Bitcoin, but at the same time putting out this fake news to sell your Bitcoin and scaring people, guys, it is pure market manipulation, and that's what you have to watch out for. Guys, you're ahead of the rest watching these videos and getting my Patreon alerts, because not very many people know any better, and they don't know to hold with diamond hands when they get scared. However, Kraken thinks differently. They're more honest, and they think that this expiration will only cause a much greater mass adoption for Bitcoin, therefore the entire crypto market. Guys, some more news. Elizabeth Warren gives the SEC till July 28th to figure out their crypto regulations. While I think she's a little bit crazy in thinking that most of the crypto transactions are for the wrong reason, guys, she is right in one sense. She wants more regulations on the whales putting out this fake news to scare the small retailer investor on selling out. Before this regulation, guys, a lot of new retail investors are left at the mercy of these fraudsters that are putting out the fake news. Guys, she's tired of these big firms like JP Morgan manipulating the price. Guys, this is a good thing because it will allow cryptos to continue their bull run upwards so that we have less volatility and less downward spirals. Guys, the volatility is very good right now though, because it allows me to call out these buy alerts, these sell alerts, because the volatility goes so low so quick and goes so high so quick as well, with a lot of peaks. However, we will see how these regulations affect the crypto market. Let me know your thoughts on that down below. And also smash that like button if you think Doge is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also in the top pinned comment, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, I think these regulations will mostly be surrounded around shorting, longing, and maybe something to do with people taking out $10,000 or more, or depositing $10,000 or more, as these are already things that we should be expecting. However, Elizabeth Warren wants to refine these rules. However, unfortunately, because of this news about Elizabeth Warren, it has caused the crypto market to crash today, just as we've seen. But guys, for every dip, we always have a bounce. There'll always be a peak, guys. So watch out for my trade alert to get in at that dip, to get in at that rare time, and be ready to sell when I call it out. Always have some cash on the side to buy these dips. This happens because when this FUD, when this fake news comes out, delivered by the whales, they're ready for the steep dip to buy in, like I let you guys know about, which does cause that bounce. Guys, the market manipulation is very clear. We have 1 week where we see a lot of FUD and fake news, and then the next week they're telling you to buy Bitcoin. Guys, it's literally the opposite of what the whales are actually doing. Guys, in these bearish markets, I like to accumulate cryptos at the dips. I buy a little at a time. Guys, never spend more than 10% of your investment when you are buying these dips, because you always want to be ready to buy more. I personally am holding for the long run. Yes, I do day trading and I do make money at it, but I mostly hold for the long term. And guys, that always pays off in the long run. The whales are also accumulating at the dips, at every single dip, because they have confidence, they know about the future of cryptos, and they know where they'll end up in the long run. Easily 10x just within a few years. Guys, no matter how bad the crashes have been in the history of crypto, they've always recovered, they've always bounced back even harder with new all-time highs than ever before. I personally am waiting until I double my money or more to sell off. And that's what a lot of my patrons have been appreciating about my sell alerts. Guys, as we look at the Dogecoin chart, we do see that sell-off, that massive sell-off. But then when we got to our dip, right where I called out to buy, guys, we do see it pop right back up, just as I called out, and then we see it going right back down again. But guys, don't fear, because what we're seeing right here is we're seeing a reverse head and shoulders pattern start to form. If that happens, expect to see a breakout to the upside very, very soon. Guys, expect for the 18th of July, when there is that big grayscale sell-off, or when the expiration happens and all the whales decide to hold and even buy more. Guys, expect for that to be a huge event for Bitcoin. And of course, if that goes up, the rest of the crypto market should follow up along with it. And that's exactly what I conjecture. Guys, also on July 15th, there is some more news. A new child tax credit will be given out on July 15th. Guys, expect $1,000 or $2,000 per child. Guys, this will be delivered similar to the stimulus check. Expect for the people getting this money to largely be investing it in crypto, therefore causing the crypto market to go up, Dogecoin to go up, Cardano, XRP. Guys, get ready. You don't want to have FOMO and wish you got in and try to buy in on that peak. You want to get in on the dip when I call it out so that you know it's the perfect time to buy in. And of course, that massive catalyst happening on the 21st of this month, where Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk are going to be talking to the Bitcoin conference. Guys, expect for some huge announcements on that day, causing the prices to jump as well. So guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when the whales have sold off, when we've got about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in, so you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing. Smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.